Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how to customize the screen time on your iPhone using iOS 18. Don't forget, friends, please subscribe to our channel. Make sure to put your likes and write comments. And let's you and me, friends, get down to our topic. Please open the settings on your iPhone. Now you will need to scroll down to the bottom of them and find the time screen option here. Go to that. And then you'll need to click on the Add Limit option here. And then you can select the Add Limit section. Before you do that, please remember to turn this button on. Now you can select, for example, a section completely. It can be, for example, games or social offers, for example, social networks, and so on. It can be different websites and so on. So you choose what you want. If you want to customize some applications separately, just click on this arrow right here and select that particular application. Once you've selected a section, click Continue. And then you'll have this timeline here. You'll need to scroll through it to set up your desired number of hours per day as well as minutes. Once you are done, just click Add. This way, you'll customize your screen time to a certain time limit on your iPhone. I really hope this video has been helpful to you. Don't forget, friends, subscribe to the channel, put likes, and write comments. See you, friends.